Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Now I've got it's not really a mailbag. Mailbag consists of that and an Xbox 360 controller, not 360, an Xbox standard controller, which I've got. I had when I got the original the first Xbox as one of these, which is a complete waste of time having that without that, but I've got that now. So here, end of. That's up there now. Right. Let's have a look at this. This cost me £2 on eBay, and for something like this, boxed, it's a no-brainer. I want to buy some stuff like this anytime for no reason. Right, apparently I thought this was going to be a lot bigger. The Zeon TV Colour Game Model T-800C. What the hell? Plays on any home TV set. Now this looks very 70s. Made in Hong Kong, licensed by Magnavox. Okay, I have no idea. I bought this under the impression of, I don't know what it is, and I'm opening this under the impression of, I still don't know what this is. No instructions inside. Looks like a grandstand, but this is tiny. This is quite tiny indeed. Tiny little controllers. Turn in red. Excuse me. Just turn around. Just hold it in place. Same on there. Big bulky part about this is the cables. But yeah. Now what exactly is that? Right, is that a power supply? It looks like it probably is. So how many batteries does it need? Ah, the battery compartment is kind of empty. Somebody's took the metal parts out of here, so I can't use this as a battery system. Well, that plastic doesn't last long at all. Okay, not essential since I've got no batteries. So I guess 1, 2, 3. So plus, got a minus, there. I could probably put something in here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries of AA size. So 6 equals 9 volts. All I can do is hope I can get this back in right. Channel 36 plus or minus 5. So has to be a negative. Yeah, negative center of the yeah, you know what I mean. I'll just pop then. There's a bit of power in there still. Right, so it looks like the same as a grandstand. You got your tennis, hockey, squash, practice. Start would be your start button, manual, service, or switch that onto there and you can manually serve. Automatic will serve automatic for you. The angle of the bat when it comes back to you, either at 20 degrees or 20 and 40. Speed, high and low speed. Bat size, small and large, power on and off. So, let me see if I can get some power supply on this, if it works. If not, it's a tiny little thing in it. That's ridiculously small. Really, really good and compact. So, yeah, give me a minute, let me find some power for this. Right, as suspected, I've just gone through the TV channel, tuned everything in, nothing. Doesn't find anything at all. So, power's definitely on. Power's in. It's one of these sort of socket ends, not the 2.5, 2.1 and 2.5s. Kind of like a headphone socket, but only a mono. That's not giving me any power at all. I'd have thought it'd give me some noise through the speaker anyway, but it hasn't. So let's go to plan B then, shall we? Let's try and take this little thing to pieces. So that off. There's no screws at all on this. I don't know if I can get into this or not. Nothing on the side. There has to be a... oh, there isn't. I mean, the reasoning why there is no power to this. No battery compartment. I've put good money on it's had a leak. This has been sat in somebody's cupboard for years, and batteries have leaked, been in there too long. And your cable down here is the blue cable, one way or the other. Can't get in to get it out. Come on. Better pair of tweezers in this, yeah. Get up down there to get to the inside of the gubbins. I guess the brown cable is possibly down here somewhere. Yeah, she's there. So if the socket doesn't work, I could quite easily have... Oh, actually, is that a brown cable? Or is that a resistor? No, that's the brown cable. Oh, give me a better bloody pliers. That's a fitty fit. Bought a pack of pliers. I recommend these. In a blue pouch. Ta-da. Pliers are brilliant. Oh, am I missing? No, it's probably in there. So, tire pliers, sharp as anything. There we go. So I could wire 9 volts across from there to there, but I want to get into this. So how? That must be a join there. So let's get a... I don't want to destroy this. So it looks like there has got to be a gap. I don't know. I honestly don't know. It's concerning for something this age that there's no screws. I must force apart somehow. Aha, there we go. That broke already. Right. Next stage, let's go for metal. Oh, that's in there. That's not part of this. One. So that comes. This comes behind there. Oh, don't you go back on? Ah, there we go. Yeah. I suspect a lot of dry solder joints. A lot of patchwork on here as well. Finally, we have a screw, or 4. Right. On with a decent bit. I didn't intend this to be a full teardown video, to be honest, but I wanted to get on with the BBCs anytime soon. I think my schedule is as follows. The Commodore is done. Still not heard anything from Steve about whether or not there's anything, he's got anything extra for me. I would love it if there's some more. Please, Steve. I don't want to beg, but please. Oh, come off. It. Oh, there we go. That's glued in there. Does that want to come out of there? Flat blade screwdriver. Where's this out? Yeah, I need to get on with the BBCs. I need to get on with... buttons. Okay. Aha. Speakers there covered over. Yeah, BBCs are a definite priority. There's the Acorn as well. I actually want to test that one first because it's all in one piece and it should be an easy fix. Resistor looks fine. That's a button for either side. I mean, possibly one of the chips has gone, but it looks exactly the same as an old grandstand, to be honest. But very, very more compact. I mean, possible things have gone. I don't notice anything straight away. Maybe a full re-clean and a resolder. Everything does look like it's in one piece. Capacitor looks fine. Crystal looks like it's fine. So is the board, the power. That looks okay. So far it looks in one piece. But that does look very old, dirty, grubby. So we'll get on with that as soon as. If you've never seen inside a Magnavox before, I've never even known about a Magnavox before this, there you go. I've sorted one of your ambitions in life. So put it back together. Looks like it's the same as before, same as it ever was. Oh, come on. Actually, there's a burning on the bottom of that capacitor. With anything like this, definitely replacement is a good idea. Christ, I can't even get that in. I should get the buttons in first. I'm going to reassemble. Ew. Very, that was a flimsy. I'd say it's very awkward to get things in and out of here. That's bent out of shape a little. That's why it's not going in. Okay, that's better. And I would definitely suspect that a previous owner has been in this, had a look and thought, nah, not for me. But the selector pin itself, it's kind of, okay. It's definitely a project for the future then. So I'll just put it back together and it'll be something for another day, unfortunately. It definitely doesn't work, so we'll faff with it later. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me, Twitter, Facebook, Patreon if you wouldn't mind. If you would like to see more other videos like this. Yeah. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.